Hello you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Yadrissa, and today we're going to be doing this fun Jessica Rabbit Halloween makeup looks. And this is a look here, so if you want to see how I created this look, I did a glam eye, I did a glam lip. Then make sure you keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching.
Let's get straight into the video. As always, I do include a clip for my inspiration picture for the look that I'm going to be trying to recreate today, and that was Jessica Rabbit from the cartoon Roger Rabbit. And I'm going to be starting off with doing my brows. I did go ahead and prime my face before I started this video. So what I'm going to be doing for this look today is I'm going to be covering up my brows completely, because the look for this Jessica Rabbit, her eyeshadow is really high and her eyebrows are really thin. So I'm going to be drawing over my natural eyebrow with the eyeshadow for this look. So that's the reason why I'm covering that up. So I'm going to be using my Elmer's glue, and I'm going to be flattening out my brow with the glue, and then I'm going to be drying it with my handheld fan. And it only takes a couple of minutes to, not even a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds for the glue to dry in between each time you put it on. And then after you add the glue and everything is dry, I did it about 2 times. I did apply my concealer over my brow because I wanted it to blend a little bit more instead of going straight into the powder. So on this side, I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding my glue, as you can see, letting it dry. I'm going to be adding another layer of glue as well, and then I'm going to be letting that dry while I'm patting the other side, patting that concealer in, just blending that concealer in while I'm still drying the other side. And now I'm going in with my powder, and I'm going to be putting the powder over my brows just to keep that brow in place and to cover my eyebrow completely. So you see how it blends in with my skin now. It makes it look like I have no brow there. You can still see it a little bit, but not as much. It's not as prominent. So I'm repeating on this side. I'm going to be using my concealer to cover this brow, and when it dries, and then I'm going to be going in and blending it in with my beauty blender. I skipped that part, but now you can see me adding the powder over the brow just to cover the brow completely. I am using my foundation now, my Maybelline foundation. And I'm going to be using my beauty blender to apply this all over my face. I didn't want to spend too long on the application of the makeup because the eye look is really, the makeup look is really what stands out in this look, the eye makeup and the lips. So I was just trying to get to that one, so that's why this is sped up, because this is fairly easy. I am going to be highlighting with my concealer as well. This is about 3 shades lighter than my complexion. I'm going to be adding that, and then I did go in with my contour as well, but I skipped that part as well. And I did blend the contour in off camera. And I'm going to be blending my highlighter in with my beauty blender. And I didn't go in and blend the contour off camera. I would just add a little to the sides of my lips because I have a little hyperpigmentation there, and I wanted to cover that up. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I cut this clip out, but I am now blending in my contour. I did go in and set my face with my setting powder after I finished applying my highlight and contour and foundation. So now I'm going in with my pencil, and I'm going to be drawing that shape that I want for my eyeshadow to be. So like I said, this look has a very high eyeshadow look. It is a cartoon that I'm recreating from a movie. So it's very cartoon-like. It is very bold and bright. And I'm going to be using a brown eyebrow pencil to draw that shape. And I'm going in, I started off with my Morphe palette with that dark purple to draw this shape. I'm just outlining that shape that I made just to bring it out more. And then I'm going to be filling in the rest. And even though this look looks so simple, it took me about maybe an hour and 45 minutes to complete this whole look together. But you know, this is YouTube world, so it looks like this only takes about 15 minutes, but I cut a lot of clips out of this video. I did switch my palette to my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going in with that dark shade of purple, and I'm going to be filling in that eye completely with that eyeshadow. It looks crazy right now, I know it does, but the look is going to pull together in the end. Trust the process. I did go and draw the shape for the other eyebrow and fill it in with my eyeshadow off camera, and now I'm just drawing my eyebrow with that red eyebrow pencil on both sides of my eyes. And now I am going in with my glue, and I'm going to be spreading that all over my eye where I want the eyeshadow to be, just where I drew this section for the eyeshadow. This is the chunky glitter that I'm going to be using today. It's like a chunky purple holographic glitter. I'm going to be using that over my eye. I thought that would really make it stand out and pop, so I thought I'd just add the glitter on top instead of doing the, you know, the regular traditional just eyeshadow alone. This glitter just made it stand out so much more and just made it a lot more animated than what it is with the purple eyeshadow alone. And I'm glad I did decide to use this chunky glitter instead of my purple fine glitter, because I feel like this, I don't know, it just stands out more to me. It just stands out more. You see like the light reflecting off of it. I did repeat the same eyeshadow for the chunky glitter for the other side. And now I'm going to be filling my lips in with my liquid lipstick, my red liquid lipstick. And I'm going to be adding my red chunky glitter on top of my lips the same way I did my eyes, but without the glue. So I hope you guys are enjoying watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you click off this video. I hope you watch this video to entirety so you can see the finished product with everything all put together. I did go ahead and use my black eyeliner to draw that mold. This is the finished product, and this is how it looks when everything is put together with the wig and everything. I really love this look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this look. And you can connect with me on my other social media platforms. Stay tuned for other videos that I have coming up. Bye.